you can have Zapier.com listen for any replies to the form. Or if the form is linked to a spreadsheet, you can link the spreadsheet to Zapier.com, and then you can send those notifications anywhere to your heart's content. Is there a way to get email notifications with forms in a shared drive? I noticed it won't work, and I'm wondering if there is a workaround. That sounds interesting. All right, let's go and have a look at that. So let's go into a form in a shared drive and see if we can get email notifications working. Now, here's a form that we created this morning with some feedback for our bootcamp. I'm going to go into my settings and see if I can find form notifications. All right, there we go. Get email notifications for a new response. Okay, you may just not have been looking in the right place, but that's where it is. It's in the responses tab, and then get email notifications for new responses. Now, if that isn't suitable for whatever reason, you can always connect a form to Zapier.com, and you can have Zapier.com listen for any replies to the form. Or if the form is linked to a spreadsheet, you can link the spreadsheet to Zapier.com, and then you can send those notifications anywhere to your heart's content. It might go to a chat notification inside your Google chat. It might go to an email address. It might go to a pop-up on your computer. Zapier can basically do anything with the data once you've got it into Zapier. So that would be my recommendation if you're looking for something more advanced there. If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.